CinYungLove. As you guys can see from my picture, so today's topic is about my hair bag from Hermes. So I bought this from a pre-loved market. Before a couple years ago, my friends recommended this bag to me, but at that time I ignored her recommendation because I saw the material is not from the leather and I'm not interested at all. But this bag, as you guys know, this one is very suitable for a low-key entry collection for Hermes. And mine is in the Herbag 31, so they have two sizes as I know, the 31 and the 39 centimeters. So I bought it in a 31, which is more popular than a 39. My friends keep recommend me for this bag as a work bag, as a traveling bag, and as the times goes by, so I did a research for this bag, and I saw in some YouTubers like Remy. She also owned this hair bag in a black color. It's very beautiful and pretty. So I started to googling and searching about her bag and saw some picture in Instagram how they wear this bag in their daily life. So I got interested in this bag, and when I saw it in the seller Instagram, the price is so good. It's a good deal for me if I deal at that time. So I contact the seller and she gave me some pictures, and also it was ready for in my city in Jakarta. They can send me the bag and I saw it, and if I agree, and I can transfer the money through the bank for the payment, and if I didn't agree, then I just pay for the messenger transportation fee. At that time I haven't fell in love so much from the picture until I saw it in person when the box was open and I saw this bag. Oh my god, the color is so pretty, guys. And mine is in the, they have two color inside, is the green, and I saw in another videos this one can be fold the outside to be inside and inside to be outside. And if I own this bag with the two color Bicolor, it must be so nice, right? So I have like two bags but in one price. So okay, continue. I have a good deal in this price. I have a good deal for this bag. It's an R stamp. It's between 2014-2015. The price is around a half of a new bag, but for the stamp R. And with so the condition is only dirty in this side. I think I need to take it to the laundry service, so let's see. I need to bring it to the bag spa. It's very good for work bag actually. This bag I wear it almost every day when I go to work, and I love it so much. But one thing you should know that about the height of the bag. So you cannot measure the bag from this into here, but you need to calculate about this issue. So if I put my notebook, my MacBook, so it's only hang in here, and you cannot measure it until this top. And I will show you what I mean in the what can fit inside my bag. If you wanna put your notebook here, this one is in the MacBook 12 inch. So you need to calculate the notebook height from the bottom into here, into the metal, this metal. See, so you can lock the bag like this. And usually I grab my bag and lock it like just like this. So if you're in a hurry, just do it like this. So you can see here, this is the handle and this is the strap, and it comes with the back pocket. and this one, this lock, pocket like this. Ta-da! And open it like this. So there's a metal logam in the middle. Comes with a pouch here. It was attached like this. So the inside is like this. Here is my 12-inch notebook. So you can see from here, the one I explained with you before. So the height of a laptop is very fit with this height, the metal logam here. So if my notebook is bigger than 12 inch, I'm not sure it can fit inside, except you put not in the straight, but you can make it diagonal like this. But this 12 inch, it can stand up 90 degrees from the surface like this. So it can fit a lot of stuff inside. So I usually bring my wallet with me, of course, my cosmetic pouch from Sephora. It can fit a lot, guys. See this? My wet tissue, my notebook charger, and this disinfectant spray. I bought it like this so it can make me more easier to attach to my bag. And the zero touch. Put this in the back side. And also with my phone, of course. This is my iPhone X. And of course my AirPod. It still can fit a lot, guys. See that? And you just put it inside and you just lock it like this. Ta-da! And you push this side and this side. Ta-da! Awesome. Get the back here. So it can fit a lot, and from the side like this. I'm in 163 centimeters, and this is my favorite style wearing this bag as a shoulder bag. So that's the mod shots, guys. If you guys interested in her bag now. So I hope you guys enjoy my video and found it helpful for you and get inspired by her bag. And thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.